Chapter 9: Customer Experience, Fulfillment, Reviews, and Retention. Making a sale is just the beginning. To build a long-term business on TikTok Shop, you need to create a great customer experience, one that leads to positive reviews, repeat buyers, and long-term trust. TikTok tracks your performance as a seller, so delivering consistently good service also improves your visibility and protects your account. Why customer experience matters. TikTok monitors order fulfillment speed, return and refund rates, product reviews, responsiveness to customer issues. Strong performance here helps you get more exposure, better affiliate partnerships, and fewer platform issues. Step 1: Fast and reliable fulfillment. If you're fulfilling orders yourself, ship within 24-48 hours to avoid delays and penalties. Use reliable carriers that offer tracking. Package securely to avoid damaged items. Include small extras like thank you notes or discounts to stand out. If TikTok fulfillment is available in your region, consider using it for faster and easier logistics. Step 2: Prevent returns and refunds. High return rates can hurt your ranking and revenue. Avoid them by setting clear expectations in your product listings, using accurate photos and detailed descriptions, demonstrating the product in real videos, packaging products to avoid damage in transit. Make sure the product matches what the buyer sees in your content. Step 3: Get more positive reviews. Great reviews boost credibility and conversions. To earn them, deliver quickly and professionally. Follow up with a polite reminder or thank you message if your region allows messaging. Provide a smooth, problem-free shopping experience. Ask for a review during live streams or unboxings. Never buy fake reviews, they hurt your credibility and violate TikTok's policies. Step 4: Handle customer issues gracefully. When problems come up, they will, your response can either build or break trust. Stay polite and helpful, even if the customer is frustrated. Respond quickly, ideally within 24 hours. Offer fair solutions like refunds or replacements. Learn from patterns. If the same issue keeps happening, fix the root cause. Solving problems professionally often earns more trust than getting it perfect every time. Step 5: Encourage repeat business. It's easier to keep a customer than find a new one. To increase repeat purchases, include a discount code or special offer in the packaging. Go live regularly to reconnect with past buyers. Post content consistently so your brand stays top of mind. Launch related products or bundles. Make your brand feel personal, not just transactional. The more positive touchpoints you create, the more likely buyers are to return. Key takeaway: customer experience isn't just about good service, it's a core part of your TikTok Shop growth strategy. Happy buyers leave better reviews, share your shop with others, and become loyal supporters. In the final chapter, we'll cover how to scale your shop into a sustainable business using automation, ads, and smart systems.